Welcome back to video 5, using the Discovery Assistant in Aginity Pro. In the last video, we talked about the My Catalog feature of Aginity Pro. In this video, we're going to talk about an equally interesting and powerful feature called Discovery Assistant. Over on the right-hand side, I'll have access to all the queries that I've written within Aginity Pro, and I can quickly navigate, find, and search across those queries to find what I'm looking for. Let me start with first a table search. So I remember that I was using a table called Landing Fact Web over in my Hive connection, but I don't remember the exact query I was doing to do my analysis of fact interactions on the web. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste in my Landing Fact Web table and hit return. And what you'll see is all the different queries that get returned with that. As I scan down, I go, oh, that's right, at 1:34 yesterday, that's when I was writing that query. I can hit the little icon button. I can scan around to make sure that's the query I wanted, and yep, there it is. So there's Landing Fact Web, and that was the query that I was writing to aggregate data for a location. So from here, I can right-click. I can save this to the catalog if I wanted. I could also preview it or copy the SQL or move that SQL to a new tab. I'm going to go ahead and say New Tab, and it brings it into this tab. I can pick my connection, change my database to my AMP Training Dev Land, and then re-execute that query. Furthermore, if you remember back in video 4, we talked about creating catalog items. The nice thing about the Discovery Assistant is I can also navigate and query or search across the different catalog items. So one of the things that I personally always struggle with is writing windowed analytic functions. So at some point I created a set of demonstration queries, and I want to go search for the word partition. And when I do that, I'm going to get a bunch of different queries, but I remember that I've put it in the catalog somewhere. So I'm going to click on catalog, and you'll see, oh, there's my windowed analytic example, and I can move that to a new tab, and it's brought in the catalog item that allows me to navigate how to use the windowed analytic. And in this case, what I had were 4 different queries basically showing you how I slice up data in the actual metrics there, and then a final query that combines my windowed analytics in 4 different columns and allows me to quickly understand how to rewrite those. So the Discovery Assistant is a great way to find things that I've done in the past and then immediately take action on them.